Hello everyone, and I welcome you once again back to Jabi's kitchen. Here I have come up with an exciting recipe of basa fish fillet. Basa fish एक तरीके की फ़िश है जो जनरली हमें फ्रोज़न मार्केट में मिलती है और मैंने इसे बिग बास्केट से ख़रीदा है. I have purchased this from Big Basket and it is available wherever you get frozen fish and frozen food. ईज़िली अवेलेबल है मार्केट में और इसमें कोई थॉर्न्स या बोन नहीं होता है. इट इज़ अ कंप्लीट पीस ऑफ फ्लैश एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस एंड टेस्टी फिश. सो दिस इज़ 1 kg ऑफ बासा फिश फिलेट, हाफ लेमन जूस, आधा लेमन, वन टीस्पून ऑफ जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट, 1 टीस्पून अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट, टर्मरिक पाउडर, हल्दी पाउडर, salt, that is namak, Kashmiri chili powder, that is red chili powder, oregano, this is optional. oregano optional है, अगर आपके पास है तो it's okay, नहीं है तो आप इसे omit कर सकते हो. This is black pepper, काली मिर्च का पाउडर. This is around 3 tablespoon of all purpose flour, that is मैदा, 3 tablespoon मैदा. These are bread crumbs. I have made it at home. ब्रेड को मैंने ग्राइंडर में ग्राइंड करके I have made this bread crumb. So this is a very simple and an exciting, tasty, crispy basa fried fillet. So let's make it quickly. Okay friends, so to make basa fish fillet, first we will have to cut it into pieces. हम फिश को पहले पीसेस में काटेंगे. तो आई विल मेक 4 pieces out of this. So make a nice cut in the center. ये फिश बहुत ही अच्छी और बहुत ही टेस्टी होती है. So you will love making this fish. So this is how we are going to make pieces. So now to marinate the fish, we will keep these pieces in one tray. हम ये सारे pieces को एक ट्रे में रखकर हम ये सारे पीसेस को एक ट्रे में रख लेंगे. Now add the ginger garlic paste. Next comes turmeric powder. This is हल्दी. जैसे हम बेसिकली बाकी मछलियों को मैरिनेट करते हैं उसी तरह से हम बासा फिलेट को भी मैरिनेट करेंगे. We are going to marinate it in the same way as we marinate the other fishes. Red chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder, so this is not very spicy. If you want a spicy taste, you can use the spicy chili powder. Or you can even use green chili paste to get it more spicier. Now comes the salt. नमक, जितना आपको पसंद है वो हिसाब से आप नमक ऐड करेंगे. And now we are going to mix all this very nicely. You can also do like you can in one bowl you can mix all this marinade and then you can add together to the fish. So in this way you're going to marinate the fish. And now you're going to add half lemon juice to this. This will give a nice tangy and spicy flavor to your fish. So this is how you will marinate the fish, and now you can keep this for 10 to 15 minutes so that all the flavors of the masala and the spices get in the fish, into the flesh of the fish. आप इसको ये अब मैरिनेशन मैंने कर दिया है. अब मैं इसको 10 से 15 मिनट ऐसे ही रखूँगी. आप इसे चाहे तो फ्रिज में भी रख सकते हैं before we fry this. Okay friends, now it is around 10 minutes. I have marinated this fish, and now let's make the coating. For the coating, I have taken this 3 tablespoons of maida, all-purpose flour. This is maida, 3 tablespoons. To this, I'm going to add equal proportion of breadcrumb. In this, add salt as per the taste. Oregano. Oregano is optional. Black pepper around quarter teaspoon. 1/4 टीस्पून काली मिर्च पाउडर का, that is black pepper. थोड़ा सा oregano, थोड़ा सा नमक, 3 tablespoon bread crumbs, 3 tablespoon मैदा. So is the mixture. Now you're going to mix this properly. Combine this well. ये हमारा मिक्सचर रेडी हो गया. अब हम फिश फिलेट लेकर इसमें कोट करेंगे. कोट इट वेरी नाइसली. सी दैट एवरी एज एंड कॉर्नर गेट्स नाइसली कोटेड विद द क्रम्ब एंड द फ्लावर मिक्सचर. कोट इट वेरी वेल. प्रेस फ्रॉम द टॉप. इसे हल्के हाथ से दबा दीजिए सो दैट एवरीथिंग गेट्स स्टिक नाइसली. And now keep it aside. Similarly, you're going to coat all the fish fillets. Coat it nicely from all the sides. This breadcrumb and the flour mixture is going to make it nice and crispy. ये खाने में बहुत ही लजीज लगेगा and you will get an appreciation. आप जब घर में बनाएंगे तो आपको तारीफ ज़रूर मिलेगी. So in this way you're going to prepare all the fish fillets. So friends, in this way we have coated all the breadcrumbs nicely to the fish fillets. हमने इस तरीके से ब्रेड क्रम्ब फिश फिलेट को कोट कर दिए है अच्छी तरह से. अब मैं इन्हें ऊपर भी पकड़ रही हूँ तो गिर नहीं रहा बिकॉज हमने उसे प्रेस किया है nicely. And now this is ready to get fried. So in a clean pan you're going to take around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Friends, we are frying this, that's why we need more of oil. But if you want to bake it, you can just drizzle little bit of oil on the tray and keep this fish fillets on the baking tray, and then you can bake it for around 15 minutes and your fish fillet will be ready. So now here I'm going to fry this. So I took around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil here, and I'm going to fry them on a shallow fryer on a medium flame. So friends, the oil is hot enough now, and now we are going to fry the fish fillets. So very gently. So in my pan, I can fry 3 very easily, so do not crowd the pan. एक टाइम पे इतनी फिश डालिए जितना इजीली फ्राई हो सके, ज़्यादा मत डालिए. And now we are going to fry this till one side gets cooked nicely, then we are going to flip it. हम लोग तब तक फ्राई करेंगे जब तक इसका एक साइड गोल्डन ब्राउन ना हो जाए, और फिर हम इसकी साइड चेंज करेंगे. I can see the downside is looking nice and brown. You can see this has turned nice and golden brown. So I have flipped it and I'm cooking on the other side. इसे मैंने अभी ये फ्लिप कर दिया है. आप देख सकते हैं ये नाइस गोल्डन ब्राउन हो चुका है. अब हम इसको दूसरी साइड से इसी कलर तक कुक होने देंगे. So very carefully, be very gentle and flip the fish. Wow, look at the color, it's looking so nice and attractive. Wow, it's really looking very beautiful and the aroma is really delicious, and this is going to taste really awesome. I cannot wait to have this. You know, basa fish is my favorite fish, and I'm sure you are also going to love this. So next time you want to make fish, try basa fillet and make this at home, and you will enjoy the restaurant style taste, and everyone's going to love this. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये 2 से 3 मिनट हो गए, ये वन साइड पे फ्राई हो रहा है. अब हम इसकी साइड फिर से एक बार टर्न करके देखते हैं क्या कलर आया है. वाओ, a lovely golden brown color to the other side as well. Beautiful. Now we are just going to fry this for 1 more minute. हम इसको सिर्फ 1 और मिनट के लिए फ्राई करेंगे, and then we are going to dish this out. And my yummy delicious awesome super tasty basa fish fillet is ready. So guys, now my fish is ready, so let's dish this out. Ooh, wow, this is looking super awesome. Look at the crunch and look at the crust. Wow, it's really delicious. Look at this. So friends, here I have plated my crispy fried basa fish fillet, and it is looking super awesome. And I have garnished it with some lemon and little bit of chili sauce. That is Ching's chili sauce, which I have used here. You can use any sauce what you like. And this is looking so nice, and look at the color and the texture of the fish, and it is so crispy. ये फिश बहुत ही डिलीशियस लग रही है. इसका कलर बहुत ही उम्दा आया है, ब्राउन, गोल्डन ब्राउन, जैसा हमने बोला था बिल्कुल वैसा ही. उसका टेक्सचर बहुत अच्छा और क्रंची है, एंड आई एम श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू लव दिस. इसे हमने सर्व किया है चिली सॉस और लेमन के साथ. So my favorite part now to taste and tell you how this fish has come out. just wow. I'm sure you're going to love it. So let me taste. Very delicious, very crunchy. Now let me dip in some sauce. Wow. Super awesome. Do not forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you have not subscribed to my video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Meet you very soon with another recipe of your choice on your channel, Jabi's Kitchen. Bye bye.